Hi, my name is Wanyu Li. Today I'm gonna talk about participatory culture for education 131. Here is my summary. Participatory culture that encourages everyone to share, post, discuss, and create with others online. According to Professor Henry Jenkins, people can share artistic expressions and civic engagement, strong support for sharing and creating creations, and for informal mentorship. There are 4 forms of participatory culture: affiliations, memberships in online communities centered around the various forms of media, such as Facebook, expressions producing new creative forms such as YouTube, collaborative problem solving are working together to complete tasks such as Wikipedia, and circulations are shaping the flow of media such as blogging. In addition, participatory culture potential benefits. First, peer-to-peer learning, intellectual property, the diversification of cultural expression, and the development of skills. Professor Jenkins also talked about education should be open, accessible, and more collaborative. According to Mimi Ito, she introduced the friendship-driven while using social media, and young kids should start about things like privacy and identity. She also thought social media foster kids the intellectual development, civic engagement, and personal engagement. Next is my reaction. Adults viewed the internet as a distracted product and harm to health. However, I think technology offers a accessible and effective way to students' learning. Kids should study how to be self-disciplined. Kids are able to share and discuss via internet at the outside of school. They also can do the collaborative project without limitation of time and space. I agree with participation is good for peer-to-peer learning. We have opportunities to learning other skills that we don't know before via internet. Educational technology gives us a good platform to create and contribute to communities. I also agree with Professor Jenkins that social media improve the participation and interest in democratic system. YouTube is a great tool to share everything to people, such as how to skateboarding and making films. After watching the videos, I learned about how we positively view technology changing our life.